Hey there, future affiliate marketers. Have you ever wondered how people make money online? One popular way is through affiliate marketing. It's like being a friendly recommender. You share products you love with others. If they buy, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income. This means you can earn money even while you sleep. Imagine waking up to commission notifications. That's the power of affiliate marketing. This guide will teach you the basics of affiliate marketing. You'll learn how to choose a niche, find products, and promote them effectively. We'll also cover important things like creating great content and tracking your progress. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of affiliate marketing? Let's get started. In today's world, having multiple streams of income is crucial. A traditional job may not be enough. Affiliate marketing offers a way to diversify your income. It can provide financial security and peace of mind. Imagine having extra money each month. You could pay off debt, invest, or even travel. Passive income streams like affiliate marketing give you this freedom. It's about creating a more secure future for yourself. The best part about passive income is that it works even when you're not working. You could be sleeping, spending time with family, or on vacation. All the while, your affiliate links are out there working for you, generating income. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, affiliate marketing can help you achieve your goals. It's time to take control of your financial future and explore the possibilities of passive income. Before we dive deeper, let's break down the key players in affiliate marketing. First, this is the company selling the product. They could be big companies like Amazon or smaller businesses. The merchant provides the products, handles shipping, and pays you commissions. Second, you are the marketer who promotes the merchant's products. You choose products you believe in and share them with your audience. You do this through your website, blog, social media, or email list. Third, this is the person who clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase. They are the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. Without them, there would be no commissions. It's important to remember that affiliate marketing is a partnership. You're working together with the merchant to promote their products and earn commissions. And of course, you're providing value to the consumer by recommending products they'll love. Section 4. Exploring different types of affiliate programs. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. There are different types of programs, each with its own payment structure. Understanding these structures is key to maximizing your earnings. 1. Pay-per-sale or PPS. This is the most common type of affiliate program. You earn a commission every time someone buys a product through your link. The commission rate varies depending on the merchant and the product. 2. Pay-per-click or PPC. With PPC programs, you earn a small amount of money every time someone clicks on your affiliate link. This model is less common, as it focuses on traffic rather than sales. 3. Pay-per-lead or PPL. PPL programs reward you for generating leads for the merchant. A lead could be someone signing up for a free trial, downloading an ebook, or filling out a contact form. 4. Recurring commissions. Some programs offer recurring commissions. This means you earn a commission every time the customer makes a purchase, even if it's not their first purchase. This is a great way to build a stable, long-term income stream. When choosing an affiliate program, consider your audience, your niche, and your marketing goals. Choose programs that align with your values and offer products you genuinely believe in. Section 5. Choosing your path. Finding the right niche. One of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing your niche. Your niche is your area of focus, your passion, your expertise. It's what you'll be known for in the online world. Choosing the right niche is crucial for your success in affiliate marketing. Why? Because it allows you to target a specific audience with laser focus. This makes your marketing efforts more effective and increases your chances of making sales. Your niche should be something you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. It could be anything from technology and gaming to travel and personal finance. The key is to choose something you enjoy and can see yourself promoting for years to come. Before choosing a niche, do your research. Look for niches that are profitable but not overly saturated. Consider the competition and the potential for growth. Your niche will be your online home, so choose wisely. Section 6. Joining the ranks. Finding and joining affiliate programs. Now that you have a niche in mind, it's time to find affiliate programs to join. Luckily, there are countless programs out there offering a wide range of products and services. One of the easiest ways to find affiliate programs is to look for affiliate networks. These networks act as intermediaries between merchants and affiliates, providing a platform to discover and join programs. Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates. This is a great option for beginners as it offers a vast selection of products and a user-friendly interface. ShareASale. ShareASale is another popular network with a wide variety of merchants in different niches. CJ Affiliate. Formerly known as Commission Junction, CJ Affiliate is one of the oldest and most reputable affiliate networks. In addition to affiliate networks, you can also find affiliate programs by contacting merchants directly. Many companies have their own in-house programs that you can apply to. When choosing affiliate programs, consider the commission rates, payment terms, and the reputation of the merchant. Do your due diligence and choose programs that align with your values and offer quality products.